What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you what is a Discord timestamp and how you can use it. So basically Discord timestamp is using the exact time like this one in your Discord message. So how to show it? So it is basically a Unix epoch time to human readable time that can be used at timestamp in the interactive chat on the Discord app. So what you have to do is to go to the website which says Epoch Converter and write any sort of time in it. For example, select the time and then convert it into the Epoch Unix code. So once you have the Epoch Unix code, all you have to do is to copy that code and go to your chat and simply paste that code in. So once you have pasted that code, it will show like this one. So that's how you can actually use the timestamp in the Discord. I hope you find this video helpful.